Tik Tok Rewards doesn't use a single universal cash-out system. In most regions, rewards are handled through points, coins, or referral bonuses that convert into PayPal Cash, gift cards, or in-app balances depending on the specific program you're enrolled in. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how Tik Tok Rewards cash-out works in 2026, where people usually get stuck, and how to actually withdraw your money. First, understand that Tik Tok Rewards can mean two different systems. One is referral-based rewards. This is where you earn points by inviting new users. The other is engagement-based rewards, where you earn for watching videos, checking in daily, or completing small tasks. Both systems exist in different versions of the app, depending on country and promotions. The cash-out process starts the same way in both. You collect points inside the rewards section. Then you go to the wallet or rewards dashboard and look for redemption options. This is where things differ based on region and account eligibility. Common payout options include PayPal transfers and gift cards. Some users also see mobile top-ups or in-app credit options instead of direct cash. Now the part most people miss. You usually cannot cash out immediately after joining. Most versions require you to reach a minimum threshold before redemption unlocks. Until that threshold is reached, your balance will sit in pending or lock status even if you already earned points. The second issue is verification. Some cash-outs require identity checks or phone verification before the first withdrawal. If your account is new or flagged for unusual activity, payouts can be delayed until verification is complete. The third issue is region differences. Not all countries show the same cash-out options. Two users doing the same tasks can see completely different redemption menus depending on where their account is registered. Here's the actual step-by-step cash-out flow. Open TikTok, go to the Profile section, tap the Rewards or Wallet icon, then open the Redemption page. Select your payout option, confirm the amount, and submit the request. After that, processing time depends on the payment method. Now the summary. Tik Tok Rewards cash-out is real, but it's not identical for every user. The key points are that redemption depends on your region, minimum thresholds, and verification status. The practical next step is simple. Open your Rewards tab, check what cash-out options you actually have, and confirm your minimum withdrawal requirement before you spend more time earning. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and check the next breakdown, so you don't waste time on reward systems that don't pay out the way you expect.